Robi, the ruler that allows measuring any lines and curves by rolling from point to point. Its click feature and highlighted start mark help in tracking measurements with ease. A stainless steel ruler finished with black titanium coating. It is designed in 4 versions, available for measuring in centimeters or inches. The Robi 10 cm and Robi 4 inch are coin-sized rulers that come with a specially designed keychain to keep you equipped at all times. The larger version, the 20 cm and the 8 inch, are designed with a more professional position in mind, and they're very portable and come in handy at any time. Measure square or round objects, any line, uneven and curved surfaces. It's easy to use it. You just roll and count rotations or measuring units by following the click sound or the start mark, and then just add the remaining units. Robi is convenient for professions and creative fields that require measuring specific design details, drafting layouts, templates, or working with irregular objects and shapes. Designed for everyone. Rollbe. Thanks for watching.
Are you still measuring in risky situations? Do you still need someone to help you measure lengthy distances? How do you measure objects that cannot be measured by the ordinary tape measure? Here is a new way of measuring. Introducing Acxion Para. Para is a 2-laser measurer with smartphone application and Bluetooth connection for better, easier, and safer user experience. The angle encoder coupled with the 2 laser measurers enables Pythagorean calculations. Para's Bluetooth technology enables users to keep track of their measurements. You can quickly and easily measure long distances with just a press of a button without anyone's help. You can conveniently view measured data on the display screen. Para can measure up to 180 degrees. All distances can be simply measured from one stationary position. Para is perfectly designed to be easily and quickly found in any field of work. Para eliminates risky and dangerous measurement situations. It can be used by anyone in any situation, regardless of age, gender, or experience. It can also be used with one hand, saving you your precious time and energy. By using Pythagorean functions, even the height of tall buildings can be easily measured. Planning on making changes to your space? Use Para to find out the dimensions. Para is a complete system that can always provide precise and reliable measurements. Para can be attached to a tripod to fully utilize our smartphone application. When you take a picture with our app, it instantly triggers the measure button and keeps track of both the picture and the data on your smartphone simultaneously. You can then draw on the picture to remember exactly what you have measured. By knowing all the precise measurements, you won't have any trouble redesigning your space. Para is versatile. It can be used in various fields. It can even be used to measure you. Para can be used by experts as well as people who are unfamiliar with measuring. Para is specifically designed to be dust-proof, making it reliable in any work environment. You can measure curves by simply rolling Para. You can also measure all kinds of irregular shaped objects with just one hand. Para has a built-in rechargeable battery that can run for over 14 hours. Para has a targeting feature that alerts when it reaches the distance you've set. Set the distance and then extend Para, and the beep sound will tell you that you've reached the set distance. This can be useful for tasks that require constant spacing, like setting up picture frame. Difficult measurements are now easy with Para. Take Para with you anywhere you go. The Pythagorean Laser Measurer. Para.
Measurement is an essential part of home improvement. However, the measuring tools have not got any radical innovation for decades. The measuring tape has a limited range, and you have to worry about sagging and misreading. When the distance gets long, you have to use a marking flag or need an extra hand. The laser measuring tool is limited for single-purpose use. It is not even able to measure a table because there is no target to reflect off the laser. ARRIM 1 is the first AR multifunctional measuring device that actually works. It is way better than any other measuring tools available in the market, and it is super easy to use. Let's start with measuring a straight line. Simply attach ARRIM 1 to your smartphone. It generates a precise laser beam. Use it to point at the start of the line. Tap the button, then point at the end, and tap the button again. That's it. The line and the dimension are shown on the screen. As we use the augmented reality technology, you can walk around while the line and dimension are still displayed in the original place. Next, let's measure a circle. Use the laser beam to specify any 3 points on the circle. Now we get the diameter, radius, circumference, and the center's location. ARRIM 1 can be used to measure angles. Use the laser beam to determine the sides and the endpoint. Now we have the degree. ARRIM 1 is also a leveling and marking tool. For example, if you plan to hang 2 pictures on the wall and want them to be centered horizontally, you can easily get it done with ARRIM 1. Specify a line along the wall. It will ask you how many equal segments you want. In this case, we choose 3. Now we have 2 vertical reference lines passing through the trisection points. Switch to Leveling function. Create a horizontal reference line on the wall. Now you can hang the pictures based on these reference lines. Precision is our top priority. ARRIM 1 has the precision of ±1.5 mm within 20 meters range. To achieve this level of accuracy, ARRIM 1 uses a series of sophisticated technologies. There are a few AR measuring apps on the market. However, if you have ever tried them, you would find out that they are just a concept demo, as they all depend on the software hit test results. The precision is not reliable at all. ARRIM 1 uses FDA-approved laser module with 40 meters measure range. Built-in lithium-ion battery provides enough power for 1,000 times measurement with a single charge. Using ARRIM 1 is so simple and intuitive. The idea of measuring in this way is what we are all familiar with. We have waited for a long time until the technology gets here. And it's real now.
This is a P1, lightweight but manageable. The measuring range up to 40 meters, accuracy up to 2 millimeters. As we know, tape measurement is a bit heavy and even a little dangerous. Handling P1 is easy for you to marking the precise position. Innovation attachment Kiwi can help check the kid's height more conveniently, monitor children's growth and development. With unique 10-second auto-fetch function, no need other hand help. You can easily get the accurate data, even there is no reflector. Simple, smart, small. We designed a totally new laser distance meter. Just for one reason, make Pro Tools easy to use.
Hey everybody, I'm PBR announcer Matt West. You know, week in and week out, I'm surrounded by the toughest athletes in the world, professional bull riders. So I think I know a little bit about toughness. Now today I'm on location here in Las Vegas where we're going to see what the pros think about the new DeWalt XP Tape. Now the folks at DeWalt 4 weeks ago sent this tape to this location so that some of the pros could put it to the actual toughness test. Today we're going to find out if indeed it matches up to the level of toughness that they say it will. Is the DeWalt XP tough beyond measure?
The project we're on right now is Desert Springs Hospital. We're adding a mechanical room to the existing hospital.
This is a harsh environment, not just with the weather that we have to deal with every day, but all the obstacles that we have to jump through. on a daily basis.
The durability is great on the tape. You could bend it almost any way you need to get any kind of measurements you need to get without worrying about bending it or damaging the tape.
It's durable. I feel like I can drop it and not worry about it breaking. A lot of tapes in the past that I've used, wind comes up and it flops around like this, ends up breaking. This one doesn't do that.
My favorite part of it is the belt clip. I have no problem holding on to it, coming off easy, and it's not falling off when I'm up in the air, bending over.
Now with the other type tape measures, it's so tight that it rips at your jeans all the time, and this doesn't really do that.
Made in the USA is very important in the tape measure in all of our tools actually. It says it's a better quality made tape, better quality made tools from DeWalt, period.
So the professionals truly put the DeWalt XP Tape to the toughness test, and from the looks of it, it is as tough as they say it is. Now it's your turn to put it to the test by logging on to DeWalt.com/toughbeyondmeasure to find out more information on how you can pick up one of your very own.